In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to remove songs from Instagram posts. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to open up Instagram, and from here you want to tap on your profile on the bottom right, which is right here. Tap on that, and then from here you want to tap on the three horizontal bars right here on the top right. And then now you would want to scroll down until you see the account type and tools right here under your insight and tools. Tap on that, and from here you would want to go into branded content. So tap on it, and then you want to set up branded content tools. Tap on that again, and then from here just basically want to tap here on enable, and then done, and then you'd now have get more tools and switch for free next. And then basically we would need to turn on professional mode in this one right here, so we'd have to go through this professional account right there. So just switch if you are prompted with this option, and tap on next. Just complete the process and okay, and close that, and here it is. It says eligible. And now what we want to do is that we're going to go here into eligible, and then you'd now be able to see that I'm now able to monetize. And now you could click here or tap on the request approval from brand partners as needed right here. And then once you are now all set right here, you want to go back into your profile, and then select the post that you would want to turn off the song or remove the song to. So for example, it's this Instagram post, and basically what you need to do from here is tap on this three dots right here in the top right of this post, and then you'd have this. And what you want to do from here is go here into partnership label and ads, and then from here you want to tap on add paid partnership label. And then you can now add partner, audience restrictions, and so on, depending on the settings that you want. That's important. What's important is that we have the add paid partnership label, and tap on done on the top right. And then once you do that, you'll now be able to see that it says paid partnership right here. So this will now remove the music on the post that we have added here from Instagram. And when you play it right here, it doesn't have that music anymore that we have added from Instagram, even if the post is a picture. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.